Hello, everyone. Good evening to you all. I hope you are doing great. You are in best of your health. We have gathered here today for the rewards and recognition ceremony. Before we get started, I would like to introduce myself. I am Mayuri Kamble. I am the assistant manager and I look after marketing and distribution relation activities at NHT Global India. Yeah, we are for rewards and recognition ceremony where we are going to celebrate the achievements of our Quarter 3 International Recognition Program rank achievers and also the winners of Achiever Bonus. And not just that, we are also going to recognize the qualifiers of Andaman Incentive Trip. And since this is our first live event, we thought we will bring something exciting to you. So we have brought exciting quiz and some opportunities for you to win some prizes. There's going to be quiz time, as I said just now. And of course, some important announcements that we always have. But before we get started, I would like Chetan, our office and distribution manager at India Market, to share a few thoughts and tell us about his recent Nagaland tour and how has it been in this quarter. So Chetan, I would like you to take the stage. Thank you.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Hello friends, good evening ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to the recognition event of third quarter of 2021. नमस्ते दोस्तों, 2021 के इस तीसरे तिमाही के विजय समारोह में आपका वाहवाहु विभोर स्वागत करता हूं. Today I feel double the energy in this event as we have some new members joining us from North India. आज के इस कार्यक्रम में मैं दुगनी ऊर्जा महसूस कर रहा हूं क्योंकि आज हमारे साथ कुछ उत्तर भारत के नए सदस्य जुड़े हैं. आप सबको मेरा विशेष अभिनंदन और धन्यवाद करता हूं इस कार्यक्रम में हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. Friends, most of you already know the purpose of this event, but I'd like to re-express for those who are joining us for the first time. दोस्तों, जो हमारे इस कार्यक्रम में पहली बार जुड़ रहे हैं, उसको मैं इस कार्यक्रम का महत्व समझाना चाहता हूं. In this event, we celebrate the victory of the leaders who have attained ranks in International Recognition Program of NHT Global, to which we call as IRP in short. Friends, IRP is our members' personal ladder of growth and achievement that they climb to ultimately reach the pinnacle of success called the ambassador. NHT Global's ambassador is a rank 9 member. NHT leaders all over the world take this growth recognition chart very seriously and ascertain a rank as their goal every year and strive hard to achieve it. Most of our leaders globally have full conviction in this program because they know that one can't become a champion or a successful businessman or businesswoman without having goals in front of them and in mind. Let us look at the example of our leader Sarfaraz Khan. He was determined to achieve rank 5 last year. He went all in to achieve it and ultimately he made it. Now he is the highest rank holder of India market. But that's not all. He aims at even higher rank this year, and not just him, but also his team, also known as Team Eagles, has highest number of rank holders in India market. And my event experience with them was just mind blowing. I had a brilliant trip with Northeast India. दोस्तों, ये कार्यक्रम में हम हर तिमाही के समाप्ति के बाद आयोजित करते हैं, जिसमें हम तिमाही के सबसे अच्छे चोटी के व्यापारकर्ताओं का अभिनंदन करते हैं, उनके जीत का जश्न मनाते हैं देश के सारे एनएचटी ग्लोबल के सदस्यों की उपस्थिति में. ये विजय, ये उपलब्धि एनएचटी ग्लोबल के आईआरपी प्रोग्राम की रैंक या प्रतिष्ठा पद पाने से स्थापित होता है, जिसके शिखर पर बनते हैं एनएचटी ग्लोबल्स एम्बेसडर, जो एक रैंक 9 मेंबर होता है. ये एनएचटी ग्लोबल के आईआरपी का सर्वश्रेष्ठ रैंक है. एनएचटी ग्लोबल की इंटरनेशनल रिकॉग्निशन प्रोग्राम, जिसे हम संक्षेप में आईआरपी कहते हैं, एक विकास या विजय की सीढ़ी है एनएचटी ग्लोबल के व्यापार में. हमारे एनएचटी ग्लोबल के सारे इंटरनेशनल लीडर्स इसे महत्वपूर्ण और सीरियसनेस या संजीदगी से मानते हैं और पूरी शिद्दत से हर साल उसका अनुसरण भी करते हैं, क्योंकि वे सब ये मानते हैं कि बिना लक्ष्य के कोई भी बड़ी सफलता पाना लगभग नामुमकिन है. दोस्तों, आईआरपी सिर्फ प्रतिष्ठा का प्रतीक या अपना नाम बनाने का ही अवसर नहीं है. इसके साथ बड़े सारे पुरस्कार, नकद इनाम और काफी दूसरे अवसर भी जुड़े हैं जो आपके लीडर आपको बता सकते हैं. और हमारा आईआरपी प्रोग्राम का ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट हमारी वेबसाइट पे मौजूद है, उसे भी आप पढ़कर इसका ज्ञान ले सकते हैं. Friends, NHT India team continually works to bring newness to this event. so that it is not monotonous and boring. We also want to make best out of this event, a benefiting one for our new members. So along with corporate, we always invite participation from our leaders in this event, not just Indian leaders, but also many international leaders. So friends, other than recognizing the achievers today, our marketing team has planned some fun activities for you. And there are also some exciting prizes to win. So if you still want to invite your member friends to join to this event and get a chance to win prizes, they can still register and join until my part is finished. दोस्तों, NXT की भारतीय टीम में मैं चेतन सुखाड़िया, मैनेजर ऑफ ऑफिस एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के पद पर कार्यरत हूं, और मेरे साथ कस्टमर सपोर्ट में मिस्टर एंसन सैमुअल और मार्केटिंग विभाग से मयूरी कामले तैनात है। साथ ही प्रोडक्ट के विज्ञान और संबंधित कार्य में साक्षी मिश्रा और क्रिएटिव डिजाइनिंग में सुचिता सांघवी जी कार्यरत है। हमारी मार्केटिंग टीम हर तिमाही पर यह कार्यक्रम आयोजित करती है और इसमें हम हर बार कुछ नयापन लाने की कोशिश करते हैं ताकि ये बोरिंग या नीरस ना हो जाए। इस कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से हम हमारे नए मेंबर्स को NXT ग्लोबल की सोच और संस्कृति से परिचित कराते हैं और कुछ लाभ हो जाए ऐसी भी कोशिश करते हैं। लगभग हर बार हमारे इस प्रस्तुति में कोई ना कोई इंटरनेशनल लीडर जरूर शामिल होते हैं और वैसा ही कुछ आज भी है, जिसे हमारे भारतीय लीडर को प्रेरणा और फायदा मिल सके। दोस्तों, आज भी कुछ नई ऐसी चीजें लेकर हम आए हैं जिसमें आप कुछ इनाम जीत सकते हैं। तो इस पर भी अगर आप किसी अपने मेंबर दोस्तों को आमंत्रित करना चाहते हो तो जल्दी से कर लीजिए। फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी। एंजॉय द रेस्ट ऑफ द इवेंट एंड हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल ऑफ यू। ओवर टू यू मयूरी।
थैंक यू चेतन, दैट वाज ग्रेट। हमारे हिंदी दर्शकों के लिए भी जो आपने बताए हैं सारी इंफॉर्मेशन, दैट वाज रियली ग्रेट। Moving on, let's get to the main part of the event where we are going to celebrate the success of our achievers. Please give them a round of applause. Here are the IRP rank achievers and winners of Achiever Bonus of Q3 2021. Lochumi Venu. She has achieved the Rising Star. So congratulations to all the achievers. And moving forward, we are very sure that after seeing our new achievers, you are very eager to know what has their thought process been. वो क्या सोचते हैं, उनके सक्सेस के पीछे का राज क्या है, उनकी जर्नी कैसी रही है NXT ग्लोबल के साथ. How has the journey been for them with NXT global, and what is the secret to their success? So here are them sharing their secret to success with us in our next segment, Achievers.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Menino Messon from Nagaland. I joined NHT at the end of June 2021 and achieved Rising Star at the end of September 2021. This is my first time joining a networking company, and I'm so grateful that I joined NHT. The journey has been amazing, and it's only getting better. Everything and everyone is awesome. I don't even have to do or say much because the product speaks for themselves to my clients. From the premium quality of each product to the support and mentoring from every leader on board, it's a too good to be true kind of ride. The incentives are beyond deserving, and the transparency in the company's work stands out for me. I'm excited to be here, and I know I'm here for the long haul.
Hi everyone. First, I must congratulate NHT Global for discovering such a powerful product. The challenging environment that we are in today, with air pollution, water contamination, food adulteration, coupled with climate change, we are going to face new and more ailments. So the need of the hour is to boost our immune system, repair and restore our health. This product is cost effective. It is one of its kind because the result can be felt in no time. My secret to achieving the rising star is, since every woman wishes to have a flawless skin, I penetrated with the Skin Indulgence and Elularax, and slowly I promoted the food supplement, and feedback is so encouraging. My goal is to empower every individual to be a consumer of this product.
I'm very happy after achieving the Associate Rank Achievers bonus. I would like to thank the STEAMteam.ca education system, especially in keeping me motivated and teaching me new skills. I follow a very simple strategy in business building. We in leadership have to always lead by example. We always have to bring new blood in the business. Just like any large organizations or successful companies, they always recruit quality people. Secondly, attaching them to the personal development program and helping them to find their first two distributors and building 20 personal customers base. Thank you all for your wishes.
Greetings to NHT family. I'm Visano and I've completed 4 months of my journey with NHT. And so far, my journey has been amazing. NHT products are top notch and they are doing wonders to our health and well-being. And when it comes to business, I always have the support of my leaders. Mention must be made of Mr. Safras Khan and Visino Basumatari. They are always at the back of me, supporting me, helping me, and guiding me, and that's why I could come this far. There are so many good reasons why NHT Global stands out from the rest, and one of these reasons is it is a close-knitted family where everyone works together, grows together, and earns together. No one is left out. From sunset to sunrise, may NHT Global keep rising and keep growing. God bless. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Visino Basumatri from Dimapur. It's been great working with NHT Global India over the last few months. I've gained a lot of confidence and it did make me a better person in a lot of ways. This particular company has done a remarkable change in the market, and this is what I'm exactly looking for, both ability and character, and of course, delivering us the top notch product. NHT have been brilliant in finding me my next opportunity. Not only have they found me my next role, but it gives me more power and confidence. This company is a huge part of what I am today. I dedicate this achievement award to my entire team. The team have shown true dedication and determination, which we have reached this extra mile. They trust me and motivated me from the beginning till today. Having a team like you at the back, everything seems like effortless. Above all, I have the best mentor who always sees the bright side of me, who always molded me this whole time, and always so ready to guide me through everything and answer all my questions and queries. I take this platform with so much pride and blessed to choose NHT as my career. A massive thank you to each one of you.
Once again, congratulations to all the achievers of this quarter. A big round of applause for them. Like Chetan mentioned before, we don't just have our members here. We also have global leaders and global ambassadors who have something to say to us and to these achievers. So please welcome Joe Garcia, Dan Cato.
Hello to my friends and business partners in the beautiful country of India. How's the Josh? How's the Josh? As you can see, I'm truly excited about what is happening around the globe and NH2 Global, particularly in India. Despite the challenges of the pandemic, we have seen huge success happening in India. It's a testament to our business plan, testament to our leaders in India. So I want to take the time to congratulate our third quarter IRP achievers in the year 2021. It's incredible. I'm truly excited for all of you. You're only steps away, ranks away from achieving the ultimate dream, which is global ambassador. I see it very clearly, and do you? Jai-ho!
Namaste, India. Dan Cato here. Nanto Suna Hi Hoga. That's a little bit of Hindi for you. Kia How Hai Ji. Hopefully that is coming out the way it's supposed to. So I'm still working on my Hindi, and I know you're working very hard on your business. And I really want to congratulate all of you for what you're doing. And I'm reaching you from my home in Toronto, Canada. And as you can see, it's a beautiful fall day here. Chilly, kind of actually cold. And it's not like it is there in India. And I'm sure it's just a gorgeous, beautiful, warm day, especially if you're in Goa. But it really doesn't matter where you are in India. It's always glorious. It's always beautiful. Well, it's a special time here now for our qualifiers that we had for Q3 and the highest achieving leaders that we had in terms of performance in the last quarter in all of India. So we want to recognize all of you. But first of all, it's, as I said, a little bit chilly here, a little cool here, very hot where you are, and I'm going to try and catch up with you as I move down to my home in Miami in the next 2 weeks. Well, in terms of performance, you can achieve the same thing in this business over time. And you can have just about anything your dreams desire, any kind of desire that you have in terms of your dreams through your IRP, the recognition program, and the Achiever bonus program that we have here as an incentive program with NHT Global. And again, I want to recognize all of you for achieving this. So first of all, Menino Mesen from Kohima, Nagaland, she achieved Rising Star and an Achiever bonus of $300 US. Congratulations. Also, Lochime Venu from Kohima, Nagaland. You achieved Rising Star as well, and it got an Achiever bonus of $300 as well for achieving that position, the Rising Star position. Also, Visano Moore from Dimapur achieved rank 1, and you got an Achiever bonus of $1,500 US. That's pretty significant. So congratulations. That really is fantastic. Also, Vecino Basumatari from Dimapur achieved rank 2. Rank 2, incredible. And you got an Achiever bonus as well as $1,500. Congratulations. Also, our great leader, Aditya, Sika Aditya Mishra from Pune, you got an Achiever bonus of $500, and that is for maintaining rank 1. So congratulations to all of you for all of your work, your hard work, your diligence, everything that you've done there in India in this last quarter. We've had an incredible year here around the world. And as all of you know, the Eagles are really leading the pack and the flock that we have for all of India, but representing a standard for all of NHT Global around the world. The world is watching you and what you've been doing, because we've been in India now for several years, but it's been the last year that your business has taken off, and the reason is because of you and the great leadership. So congratulations on everything that you've done. I can't wait to see you in the very near future. We got so many great things that are going to be happening here in the fourth quarter, this quarter right now, as well as 2022. So stay tuned. We've got some great things coming. Congratulations to you all. We'll see you later. And Chak a day, India. Namaste and happy Diwali. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Dan, and thank you, Joe. As we promised to make this session a little more interesting, we have brought to you the quiz time, where you will get a chance to win NHT Global products. And for that, you just have to answer the next 5 questions. For this, I would like to invite Sakshi to take this ahead for us. Before that, I would like to brief you about the rules. Participants are supposed to note down the answers in their chat boxes. Now you can access chat boxes where you will have to write your answers. But you are not supposed to answer after each question. Just keep your answers ready. For example, as I have said, for questions 1 to 5, if the answers are A, D, B, C, C, you're going to put A, D, B, C, C right after I tell you to post the answers. Do not post the answers right after you see the questions, because then you will be leaking the answers and we do not want that. This quiz is going to have one winner, and that winner is going to win 3 products. We will be disclosing those soon. And just a minute. I would like Sakshi to now take over from.
Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome once again. I'm Sakshi Mishra, the product expert and scientific officer here at NHT Global India. And I am extremely excited to host this product-based quiz for all of you. We all have been dealing with the products for quite some time. Let us see how much knowledge do you have about these products. So you people know the rules. You don't have to leak the answers after each question. After all the 5 questions are done, you put the answers together in the chat box. Okay, so let us start with the first question. Okay, so the first question is, what is known to be nature's first food? I'll repeat it. What is known to be nature's first food? And the options are A, premium noni juice, B, colostrum chewable tablets, C, triotein protein powder, D, glucosamine. I'll repeat. What is known to be nature's first food? And the 4 options are A, premium noni juice, B, colostrum chewable tablets, C, triotein protein powder, D, glucosamine. Note down the answers and keep it ready. Do not post it on the chat box. I will give you a couple of seconds and then we'll move on to the next question. Okay, so let's move on to question number 2. The question says, what is the key ingredient in cluster X2? I repeat, what is the key ingredient in cluster X2? And your options are A, grape seed extract, B, pomegranate juice concentrate, C, clustered water, D, turmeric extract. I repeat, what is the key ingredient in cluster X2? A, grape seed extract, B, pomegranate juice concentrate, C, clustered water, D, turmeric extract. Note down your answers and keep them ready. Make sure you note it down in the same order of the questions. I'll give you a couple of seconds before I move on to the next question. Okay, let us move on to the third question for today. What is the recommended way to use Skindalgen's 30-minute foaming system? You need to choose the correct order. I repeat,
What is the recommended way to use the Skindulgence 30-minute foaming system? Choose the correct order. And your options are A. Cleanser, mask, moisturizer. B. Mask, cleanser, moisturizer. C. Moisturizer, cleanser, mask. D. Cleanser, moisturizer, mask. I repeat the question. What is the recommended way to use Skindulgence 30-minute foaming system? Choose the correct order. A. Cleanser, mask, moisturizer. B. Mask, cleanser, moisturizer. C. Moisturizer, cleanser, mask. D. Cleanser, moisturizer, mask. You need to note down the correct answer. Okay, let us move on to the fourth question. I hope all of you are having fun. Okay, so the fourth question for today is omega-3 capsules are available in which flavor? I repeat, omega-3 capsules are available in which flavor? And your options are A. American ice cream flavor. B. Citrus flavor. C. Chocolate flavor. D. Cranberry flavor. I repeat, omega-3 capsules are available in which flavor? A. American ice cream flavor. B. Citrus flavor. C. Chocolate flavor. And D. Cranberry flavor. Please note down the answer. And now let's move on to the last question for the product-based quiz, which is the fifth question. Which NHT global products can help you in supporting your immunity? I repeat, which NHT global products can help you in supporting your immunity? And the options are A. Triotein protein powder. B. Colostrum chewable tablets. C. Premium noni juice. D. All of the above. I repeat, which NHT global products can help you in supporting your immunity? A. Triotein protein powder. B. Colostrum chewable tablets. C. Premium noni juice. D. All of the above. Please note down your answers. This is the last question for the product-based quiz. Now, if you have noted down your answers, please post your answers. Post your answers on the chat box. We can see a lot of people posting their answers, barely seconds apart.
Sakshi, could you please tell the correct sequence of answer and then we can reveal the winner?
Sure.
I think we have about 7 to 8 members who have registered their answers, but if you could first confirm the sequence of answers.
Yes. So the correct sequence of answer is okay, so we have the sequence here.
I think we have a winner. Yes.
So, yeah, so I'd leave it to Chetan to announce the winner. Chetan, can you go ahead and announce the winner?
It's Visa. Congratulations, Visa.
Congratulations, Visa. You are the winner for our first quiz. Congratulations. You will receive 1 bottle of Colostrum chewable tablets, 1 enhanced essential probiotic pack of 30 sticks, and 1 premium noni juice bottle. But of course, that is not it. We are not just giving you one quiz. I think we need more winners and we need more people to win. So get ready, because there is one more quiz and one more chance for you to win these 3 products. The rules are same. The questions are going to be business opportunity based. So we hope that most of you get these answers right, and all the best to you
Maybe
all.
a small input to make. I'll be disabling the chat feature until all the 5 questions are over.
All right.
As soon as the options of the 5th question displays on the screen, I will enable the chat function.
Sure.
That moment, whosoever reports the correct answers first. Okay, first of all answers should be right.
Yes.
I mean, all answers should be correct. And the ones who report answers, the first one will get the prize. Yes.
Shall we begin? All right. Here is your next quiz. The first question is, what is the percentage discount offered to preferred customers in India market? India market में preferred customers को कितने % discount offer किया जाता है? A 15%, B 7%, C 10% और D 20%. A 15%, B 7%, C 10% और D 20%. I think हम next question की तरफ चल सकते हैं. Let's move to next question. The next question is, which of the following is the correct generational bonus offered to platinum and gold members? नीचे दिए गए options में से कौन सा सही है generational bonus है जो offer किया जाता है platinum या gold members को? The options are A 5%, 3% and 2%, B 15%, 12% and 5%, C 10%, 5% and 3%, and D 10%, 6% and 4%.
Let us give them at least a minute to answer this.
Yes. I think we can move ahead. Okay, let's go to question number 3. What is the minimum threshold commission amount that a member needs to accumulate to receive weekly commissions payout? The options are A $20, B $25, C $50 या D $30. So minimum commission amount पाने के लिए कौन सी मिनिमम अमाउंट है जो वीकली कमीशन पे आउट के लिए आपको अक्यूमुलेट करनी पड़ती है? A $20, B $25, C $50 या D $30? Let's move to question number 4. Which of the following is the ratio to calculate override bonus? You have to guess the ratio for strong leg to weak leg. The options are A 1/4 3/4, B half and half, C 2/5 3/5 or D 1/3 2/3. ओवरराइड बोनस कैलकुलेट करने के लिए कौन सा रेशो फॉलो किया जाता है? I think we can move ahead. Here is your fifth question. Which of the following is true about gold members? And the options are A. Accumulate 500 BVs to achieve gold rank. B. Gold members earn 20% of weak side on cycle override bonus. C. Accumulate 3000 BVs in combined total of your PV, which is personal volume and personal group volume, to become gold member. And D. All of the above. I think we can move ahead. And now you can post your answers in chat box. I would request Chetan to kindly see who have answered the questions right and who has answered it first.
All right. We'll hold on for a few seconds and allow
Yes.
members to register their answers.
Yes.
I can see Mr. Syed Murtaza reporting his answer, but I will only confirm the correct options first. Okay. We are still receiving answers. All right, Mayuri. So let us
Yes.
see the answers are. But before that, let me guess. It's C, D, D. Am I right?
Let's find out. Yes.
So we have a winner with us. The winner is Mr. Syed Murtaza.
Congratulations, Mr. Murtaza.
For guessing this all right. Congratulations.
Actually, a lot of our members have guessed it correctly. So, congratulations to all. Also be revealing our Andaman incentive trip qualifiers. So, here are our qualifiers for Fly High incentive trip of 2021, which is going to be at Andaman Islands in November. Now that we are done with quiz, we think everyone should get one more chance, I think, Chetan, to grab the products. What do you think?
I say let's go ahead.
Yes. So here is one more opportunity for you. That is, try your luck. We have put names of all the registered members on a wheel. And we will be spinning wheel 3 times. So each spin will give us one new winner. And the person who comes out as a winner on first spin will get colostrum chewable tablets, 1 bottle of that. On the second spin, the person will get 1 pack of 30 sticks of enhanced essential probiotics. And on third spin, the person will get 1 premium noni juice bottle. And if the person is not in attendance of the event, they are not going to get the product. So we would like to make that clear. Give me a minute now. Here is the wheel. As you can see, there is a option of spin, and all of your names are on the wheel. So let's go ahead and give it a first spin. Is Mr. Akireddy available in the audience? I don't think so. I don't think Mr. Reddy is in the session.
So Mayuri, so the third spin goes to no one actually. So let's move ahead with the second spin.
Right. Is Mr. Hook available? I don't think so. So let's move ahead with the last spin, which is for one bottle of premium noni juice. Is Mr. Srinivas Babu in the session, available in the session? I don't think even he is available.
So it's a sheer bad luck that these guys couldn't make it to the event,
Yes.
and the loss is evident, so to say.
All right, so let's move ahead. As we had promised, we have some important announcements to make. Chetan, would you like to take ahead the first one?
Yes, we can. Let's flip the slide. Let's see what we have for members.
Yes. Here are some important announcements for you.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, like you all are very well aware, the new platinum promotion is going on. This gives you opportunity to accumulate 1000 BV over the period of 15 days, and yet personal order. This is personal order and not PGV. So by accumulating 1000 BV over multiple orders, a single person, a single member can achieve the platinum rank. The promotion is still open for next 2 days. It's open till 31st October. So I encourage you all to take best advantage of this promotion. This promotion is of a universal nature, means all the global markets are following it. It is a part of the pre-event success lead success e-forum pre-event promotions. All our members must have seen the this invitation video that we have to invite all our members to join this international forum called the Lead Success e-forum. It is one of our most successful forums where we have all the members from various markets join, share their thoughts. There's a lot of fun activities and whatnot. So I'm not going to spill the beans, as you have just a small snippet of how amazing this Lead Success e-forum is going to be for the one which is slated to be on the 20th November of next month.
So we hope to see you here for our this year's last global event, where you will get to learn how to lead, what are the skills needed to lead your business, your team. So that is it. And our next announcement is, of course, our product training webinars. We had one Hindi webinar on Cluster X2, which was taken by our very own Sakshi Mishra, our product expert and scientific expert. Our next webinar will be in November, and please stay tuned on our social media sites as well as our e-blasts, where you will get the schedule and topic of next webinar. And thank you everyone for being such a lovely audience. Our social media handles are mentioned below. You can stay updated on latest news on that, about promos and all the events that we bring.